I just got back from a bear hunt, which is why my office, the space is a mess. But something came in the mail today, and I wanted to share it with y'all. This, I think, is from Bridger, so we're gonna open it. This is, I think, the Bridger watch, um, and I'm really excited about that, and want to see how that impacts what and how I hunt. I, like I said, was in the mountains this last weekend, and I can't tell you how many times I thought about, man, I really wish I just didn't need to pull out my phone right now. I just wanted to double check that I'm on the right heading, moving toward the place, the pin that I put, moving up this draw, and so I think that this could be a game changer for how I move through the mountains. I recognize that I'm not that there are ways to do this without some sort of device, but I am not many of those out there that have as much experience, and so this is a real thing and a real piece to how I interact on a regular basis um, with my phone, and so removing that would be huge. Let's get into this. Let's open this up, and I'll see if I can capture some of the setup too. All right, so here we are again. Let's get this opened up. You know what? Come on. All right, here we go. Look at that. Looks good. This is Founders Edition, so came with a leather band. That's gonna be nice. We have free 3-month Onyx Elite trial, and for those who seek the unknown, I love the I love that slogan, and some instructions and stuff like that. So we'll try and go through this, get this set up. Let's see. I have not seen any one of these unboxed so far. Very, very beautiful. Ooh, it is large. That is the first impression that I get. So that's the Garmin that I'm wearing on right now. Larger than that, which is fine, but it is large. Um, a little blurb. We built this watch because big tech was never going to. This sketch that you see on this page was the rough draft of the prototype watch that you now hold. That is not possible without your support. From everyone here at Bridger Watch, thank you. Your support means the world to us. This is just the beginning. Cody Rich. Super stoked about this. I also do think it's nice to support hunting company. Okay, nice on the packaging too. All right. See, this is something I wanted to take a look at. So charging cable. It is a proprietary charging cable is what this looks like. Which I wish it wasn't. It'd be nice if it was something different, but you know, I understand. The current watch I run is proprietary as well. You see that, like, see, can we get that? Yeah. However, if this watch even comes close to the battery life that it says that it can do, it will be great, because then I won't just need to take out a charging watch, which is why I got the Garmin Instinct in the first place. Like, and then here's the non-leather band. My expectation is Um, I'll swap this out for certain times and swap in the leather band for others. All right, let's see about getting set up here. So I'm gonna stop this video. We're gonna switch to the phone and screen share. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get the Bridger watch uh, app from the App Store. Let's download that. We need to pair this. So top is this select button here. See, does it have any juice? Or are we going to need to? Oh, it does. Look at that. Welcome to use Bridger watch. Okay, select language. Pair your phone, enable the connection. All right. We'll let this one. Okay, so first thing, I know that there's an update coming for this. Maybe I will do set. Hold on, let me double check the instructions. Okay, quick note on setting up the watch. They had an update. They need to. We need to set up an account. So first thing, from the home screen of the app, click download map. All right, enter a phone number. Okay, and so we are successfully authenticated. Now we need to come to pair watch, turn the watch on, turn Bluetooth on the phone, scan QR code, pair device. So all of those things are done. We do need to scan it through the app. One, 072. Okay. Pairing it to the internet. Two different Wi-Fi's, so I'll have to update that. Imperial, 24-hour. Yeah, that's good. User 5.8. Working on this, but 260, so we're getting set up here. Mail. And I think for this first for the time being, I'm going to put it on my right wrist. Okay. Pairing is successful. So here we go. We're going to start using this. Start trying to figure out how to work with this. I'll probably do some different whatchamacallit, some different videos as I use it and kind of figure out some of the ways it works and some of the different differences between other things that I've used before, and we'll go from there. All right, thanks so much. This is going to be a quick one because it was run through the setup and stuff like that, but I'm really excited about this and looking forward to how just this changes daily living as well as just how I hunt. So I'll be keeping you all updated with that. Catch you next time.